I'm worried about my financial future. How can I plan for it? Creating a financial plan, it's an important first step. You need to have a clear idea of your financial goals and how you plan to achieve them. What kind of goals should I have? It depends on your individual situation. You may want to save for your retirement, pay off some debt, or save for a down payment on a house. Once you have your goal in mind, you can create a plan to achieve them. What should I include in my financial plan? Your financial plan should include a budget, a saving plan, and an investment plan. It should also take into account your current assets and liabilities, as well as any future income or expenses. How often should I update my financial plan? Your financial plan should be reviewed and updated regularly, especially as your financial situation changes. It's important to stay on top of your finances to ensure you are on track to meet your goals. Thanks for the advice. I feel more confident about creating a financial plan now.